Hi guys, I just want to introduce you to the animal dominoes activity that I've just put on the website. It's a good one. I love doing this in my class, especially with year 1 and year 2. Basically, it's just an animal riddle game or activity. They are given a set of dominoes, which are here, that have a picture and they have a description of an animal, but not the animal next to them. So in this one it's a giraffe, but it says, I live in the jungle, I am naughty, I like to eat bananas, I can climb trees. That is not a giraffe, but it is a monkey. And what the students have to do when these are cut out is they have to match the words with the picture. But I've done it a little bit of a different way. I've done it like this, and it works really well. It produces a good piece of work for your students. Basically, you can get them to cut these out, or you can cut them out first if you have younger learners or a short lesson. I would strongly advise that you cut them out yourself first. The reason for this is students, and you, no matter how much you watch them, it'll just happen, is they will cut out every box. I think when I update this, I will put some space between the dominoes so that they know. But at the moment, some of them will cut out every box, and that's less fun to manage. So they have a picture and the words this way. And what they do when they have the set is they go to the big worksheet and they have to stick them, if you can see the arrows on there, on your phone or on your computer, they have to stick them going this way. There is a reason for that, I'll say in a minute. So I always start with the giraffe, and I'll show you here, and they stick it at the top, and then they read it, and they have to find the domino with the monkey on it. Then they stick it, and they read it, and then they have to find the domino with the penguin, and so on and so on. But there will be, normally I think it's 3 at the top will fit, 2 at the side, 3 at the bottom, and then 2 going up, and it will fit perfectly. But it will only fit perfectly if this is on A4 and this is on A3. So this is a big piece of paper, double the size of A4, and then this is on A4. So this, make sure you remember that, otherwise the animals are too big for the paper. Okay, you'll work it out the first time you do a lesson, but if you do watch this, thanks. This will help you. And when you do it, or when they do it, stick them at the top, but then turn the domino so it goes down. Where's my mouse? Down like this. They'll have to turn the paper or turn their heads or whatever, and you can get 2 in this side. And then do the dominoes upside down. There is a reason for this. It looks way better and it fits way better as well. So if they 3 at the top, 2 down here, and then turn them upside down, so you've got 1 domino, 2 dominoes and 3 dominoes, and then do them on their side going up, and it creates a nice little frame of English for this work. When they've done it, they can read it out. You can have them present it on a video if you want them, or you can put some plastic on them and put them on the wall. It does look quite nice, and it is something different. It is one of those things they can take home and show parents as well. The 2 tasks in the middle, mainly, well, not mainly, but what animals are there, because the name is not on there. So they can write number 1, 2, 3 in there. Now, just a tip for you, if you're teaching younger learners, they might not know how to spell some of the animals. We've got kangaroo, we've got penguin. They might be a little difficult for them. So I would either do one of these 2 things, is to put a word bank on a wall or on a table, so they can just see it. They'll recognize the word from it written down. They just won't be able to phonetically spell it yet, or some won't. Or if you have a clever student or a student who's good at English in there, you can have them, when they come up and ask, or when they write one, oh, can you write that on the board for me? And then you can point all of the students towards the board. So you don't have to, what is a bad idea is if you have to spell penguin to 30 different students at different times. So try to have that somewhere in the classroom. Again, when I update this, I might put it in there for you, but it's a good idea to have it actually on the board somewhere rather than a piece of paper. And then the second question over here, what animal do you like? Again, open question. So your students who struggle with English, excuse me, could use some of the clues from the words they've got all around their paper. And your higher level students, they can pick it from their head. They can choose any animal they like and write why. There's nowhere to put the name, so I just usually put the name at the bottom. I don't like just having a name, or on the back. It doesn't have to be on the front. It's more of a presentation piece than a marked piece. So I would use it as such. Okay, there's also a pets one, and I think I'm going to do a food one version of this on the site as well. If you are watching this far, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 and still so far away. Okay, have a good day. See you later. Bye.